Sabina is an Indian girl who is 12 years old. She's a really pretty girl with big green eyes and long and brown hair. As every day she is at school, she has several friends because of her cheerful personality. Due to her curiosity, she loves going to school, participating in class and looking for new information. Indeed, she enjoys learning and she's an excellent student. Daily, she comes back home with her friend Ayesha, who is her truthfully friend. Nevertheless, when they have to say goodbye, both girls feel insecure during their way home. The street is dark, deserted, quiet and shadowy. In addition, some roads are full of cabs, trucks and cars which drive very fast, even though other ways are completely empty. As a consequence, she usually feels that people look at her in a despicable way, and she knows why, just for being a woman, a girl who is walking alone coming from school. However, when she arrives home, she feels safe. Sabina can smell the dinner that her mom is preparing. She is cooking her favorite meal, kheer, the traditional rice cooked with milk and dry fruits. She has a lovely family: Yamir, her father, who works at the library; Sita, her mother, who teaches cooking courses; and Ryan, her brother, who is studying in New Delhi at university. Sabina greets her family and goes straight to her bedroom to do some homework. Suddenly, her father knocks the door.
Sabina, how are you? How was your day, my girl?
Hi Daddy, excellent. I got an A in the math exams. I have enjoyed a lot at school because I am learning a plenty of things. I am so excited. I regret not having started school earlier.
Really? I'm so proud of you. If you keep on this way, you will be whatever you want in your future. You're a good girl. You will have lots of experience to live at school with your friends and teachers. I'm really happy to see you so enthusiastic, but I wish you never felt scared in the streets.
I will not that. I will study and fight for a better future for women. I am glad to have a father who is not ashamed of me because of being a girl and give me the support to learn at school. I know that some of my friends are not as lucky as me.
I also care about women's rights. People should realize the role that women play in our society, especially young girls as you, who are fighting in order to improve our civilization.
Yes, Daddy, we have to change people's mentality, make streets safer, and provide a better quality of life in India, particularly for women. By the way, my friend Ayesha is living another reality very different to mine. Her father wants to marry her with a rich man because that way he will not have to maintain her anymore. She's very scared because she doesn't know that man and she wants to continue at school.
Oh, I can't believe it. Poor Ayesha. I can't imagine how is she feeling. Has she told to her father about this?
Of course, many times. She's spending all her evening crying and trying to convince him about that marriage. I would like to help her, but I don't really know how.
Let me think about it. Let's go to have dinner. Your mom has prepared your favorite meal.
Yamir is thinking about Sabina's worries. He can't understand why some parents don't care about their daughter's interest and safety. After a long reflection, he decides to post a photo in Twitter in order to share his opinion of the lack and beauty of having a daughter. In addition, his intention of his post is to engage parents to join this campaign. By doing so, Yamir is going to try to concern Ayesha's father about respecting her interests and rights. Next morning, Sabina's father realizes that the post was trending topic. Many Indian fathers were supporting his campaign, posting more dad and daughter pictures. After seeing such a success, Yamir goes to Sabina's bedroom.
Look, darling, yesterday I posted a picture with you showing that I'm proud of having a daughter. And look how many families are supporting us. Everything is not lost.
Really, Dad? You are the best dad in the world. I can't wait to tell this news to Ayesha. Ayesha, my father has done something that can change your father's opinion.
Wow!